Kamusta mga balibulista? Dinaig ng Chocomocho Flying Titans ang NLEX Lead Chameleons 25-21, 23-25, 21-25, 25-23, 15-10. Tinanghal na best player of the game si CC Rondina sa likod ng kanyang 23 points, 21 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace, 19 digs at 10 excellent receptions. Nagtala si Nonag ng 7 points at 3 blocks. Ortez 9 points at 2 blocks. Manabat 9 points, Alba 1 point, Rondina 23 points, 21 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace, 19 digs, 10 excellent receptions. Molde 12 points, 12 attacks, Pons 15 digs, 18 excellent receptions. Nag-ambag naman si Cheng ng 7 points at 1 ace, Wong 2 points at 12 excellent sets, Malaluan 3 points at 1 ace, Tobino 7 points. Para naman sa natalong NLEX Lead Chameleons, nagtala si De Los Reyes ng 1 point, Atienza 9 points, 5 blocks, 2 aces, Ebon 7 points at 1 ace, Maraginot 16 excellent sets, Laure 20 points, 17 attacks, 1 ace, 21 digs at 5 excellent receptions, Parmentella 9 points, Pineda 1 point, 18 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Maylona ng 17 points at 14 attacks. Almonte 11 points at 14 excellent receptions. Esguera 6 points at 3 blocks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinalo naman ang Signal HD Spikers ang Zeus Thunderbells 25-18, 25-22, 21-25, 25-11. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Lalong Isip sa likod na kanyang 20 points. 18 attacks, 2 aces, 4 digs at 5 excellent receptions. Nagtala si Doria Aquino ng 4 points, Aconya 17 points, 6 blocks, Abel 2 points, 1 block, 12 digs, Cayona 8 points, 17 excellent sets, Lalongisip 20 points, 18 attacks, 2 aces, 5 excellent receptions, Gandler 14 points, 12 attacks at 1 ace, Katindig 24 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Fernandez ng 3 points. Para naman sa natalong Zeus Thunderbells, nagtala si Gagati ng 9 points at 4 blocks, Gamit 5 points, Gonzaga 14 points, 14 attacks, Mondonido 3 points, 1 ace, 13 excellent sets, Arroyo 1 point, Troncoso 11 points, 3 blocks at 12 digs, Angeles 14 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Kate Santiago ng 11 points, 10 attacks at 1 ace. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of February 13, 2025. Creamline Cold Smashers 9 wins 0 loss 25 points. Petrogas Angels 8 wins 1 loss 23 points. Signal HD Spikers 7 wins 3 losses 22 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 7 wins 3 losses 17 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 6 wins 3 losses 18 points. Akari Chargers 5 wins 5 losses 15 points. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 5 wins 5 losses 14 points. Zeus Thunderbells 4 wins 6 losses 14 points. Farm First 4 wins 6 losses 13 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 1 win 8 losses 5 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win 9 losses 4 points. NLEX Lead Chameleons 1 win 9 losses 4 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong February 15, 2025 na gaganapin sa Inaris Center Antipolo. Maghaharap ang Galleries Tower High Risers at Petrogas Angels alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang PLDT High Speed Hitters at Creamline Cold Smashers alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.